Hello everyone. In this video, we would like to discuss about the how to find the HCF of the given two numbers. How to find HCF. Before that, first we discuss about the factor. Factor means what? It is a exact divisor of the given number. It is a exact divisor of the given number. For example, 2 is a factor of 8 because if we divide with 2, what we get? 2 4s are 8, remainder is 0. That means it is exactly divisible by 2. So that's why 2 is a factor of 8. 4 is a factor of 8. Factor means compulsory it is exactly divisor of the given number. Okay. Now how to find the HCF of given two numbers? HCF of two numbers or three numbers. How to find the HCF of two numbers? There are two methods are there. One is the prime factorization method. One is prime factorization method, and second one is the factor tree method. Factor tree method. Okay. First we discuss about the prime factorization method. How to find the how to find the HCF of the two numbers in the prime factorization. For example, if we consider any two numbers 12, 16. So write down the factors of 12 and 16 first. First factors of 12. Factors of 12 is equal to, what are the factors of 12? How can you write down in the prime factorization? 2 6 are 12, but 2 is a prime number, no need to change. 6 is not a prime number, again you have to convert into product of prime numbers. That means 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. Now here all three factors are prime factors only, so leave it up to here. That means the given number we have to write down as a product of prime numbers. Next you write down factors of 16 also. How can I write this one? 8 to the 16, but here 8 is not a prime number. Again write down 4 to the into 2. Again 4 is not a prime number. Again how can I write this 4? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now all are the prime numbers only, na? Yes. Now in this one, take the common factors. Take the highest common factor. Highest common. Now here take 2 is common. Here also 2 is common. Here also 2 is common. Here also 2 is common. That's it. Here 3 is there, but in this one 3 is not there. Here 2 is there, but in this one extra third 2 is not there. One more 2 is not there in this one. Only 2 are the common factors. That means HCF of 12, 16 is, here from this we can take 1 2, and from this we take 1 2. That means 2 2s are 4. So 4 is the HCF of the given two numbers. We are finding the HCF of the two numbers in the prime factorization method. We can take one more example to understand this one. To understand this, we can take one more example. Find the HCF of 36, 60. 36, 60 here. Means first what we write down? Factors of 36. Factors of 36 is equal to, how can we write down? 6 6 is 36, but 6 is not a prime number here. Write down 2 3 is 6. Again this 6 also, 2 3 is 6. Now all are prime numbers only here, so leave it. Next write down the prime factors of 60. Prime factors of 60. How can I write down? 10 6 is 60, but both numbers are not prime numbers, so write down this 10 again. 2 5s are 10 into 6 how can write down? 2 3 is 6. Yeah. Now take the common factors. 2 is a one factor. Next 3 is also one common factor. Still 2 is also one more common factor. Yeah, still that's it. Yeah, that means HCF of 36 comma 60 is common factors. What are the common factors here? Yes, 2 is a common factor na here. 2 into here 3 is also one common factor. 3 into here one more common factor. What is that? 2. That is equal to how much? 2 3 is 6. 6 2 is 12. So 12 is the HCF of 36 comma 60. Is it clear? Yes. Next, how to find the HCF in the long division method? In the long division by using these two only. So division method. Actually I said tree method. That is a tree method to find the factors, to find the common factors. But to find the HCF we can use the division method here. Is it clear? In the division method we can find out. In that method also we can find it, no problem. But maximum students they will ask how to find the HCF in the division method. Means, now see here, take that two numbers only. Consider the two numbers. Consider the numbers 36 comma 60 only. How to find the HCF these two factors in the division method? First write down the 60 is a dividend and 36 is a divisor in the long division method. So I have to divide 60 with the small number 36. 36 ones are 36. What is the remainder? 4. Here 2. Now this 24 here the remainder is not 0. That means up to the remainder is 0, up to there we can do it, this long division. Again this 24 become divisor, this divisor become here dividend. That means 36 will become here. Is it clear? Yeah. Now 24 ones are 24. Then what is the remainder? 2 1. Still here the remainder is not 0. Again this remainder becomes a divisor. This 24 becomes here. Yeah. Now 12 2 is a 24. Now the remainder is 0. Now when the remainder is 0, in that case the divisor is called as the HCF. So in which case the remainder is 0, in that case the divisor is called as the HCF of the given two numbers. So what are the given two numbers? 36 comma 60. So HCF of 36 comma 60 is 12. Understood this one? Next we will see one more example to understand this one. Find the HCF of 12 comma 32 by division method. 12 comma 32 by division method. Now see that. So first we have to divide the largest number with the small number. That means 32 I have to divide with the 12. 12 2 is a 24. What is the remainder? 8. Here remainder is not 0. Again this remainder becomes a divisor and this 12 becomes to here. That means again 8 ones are 8. Remainder is what? 4. So the remainder is not 0. Again this 4 becomes as a divisor and 8 becomes to here, comes to here. That means 4 2s are 8. Now the remainder is 0. That means in which case remainder is 0, and on that time what is the divisor? 4. So 4 is the HCF of the 12 comma 32. Therefore HCF of 12 comma 32 is how much? 4 only. Understood? How to find the HCF of the given two numbers in the prime factorization method and in the division method. So like this, solve the remaining problems in your exercise book. In next class, we discuss how to find the LCM of the given two problems. Okay? Thank you.